What's up YouTube? This is Phoenix of the Mountain here, and today we will be putting in some artificial fish structures in the pond. So it was probably about June time frame. We put in about a quarter to a half-acre pond here in North Carolina, and we had some fish stocked. It's getting ready to be spring shortly, and we want to make sure we have a place for them to start procreating. So I'm going to show you guys the pond, and maybe here shortly we'll get started. So as you guys can see, got a nice little pond here, real close to the road, and gonna be making a place for the fish to start laying some eggs.
Eggs, precious egg.
As a lot of you know already, it's really important to give some sort of structure, whether it's bushes or trees or old shrubs. A lot of people use old Christmas trees when they're done with them to put into the bottom of the pond, so that way there's some place for the fish to lay their eggs. So that's what we're gonna do. I've got some old PVC pipes laying around, some old gutter type corrugated material, and we're gonna make a artificial fish structure. So let's go grab the materials and get started. So I first started removing things that were attached to my house but no longer needed. And then underneath the house for a couple pieces of PVC that goes to a sink that we don't really need.
Dale, the water's not working.
Now for the hard work. I started by cutting several lengths into about 4-foot sections of PVC pipe. I then took my corrugated hose and cut off about a 4 to 5 foot section in length. Then, using my hole saw, did holes in the corrugated tubing in pairs, alternating 90 degrees. Once the parts were ready, I took those to the front yard and started putting everything together with the help of my assistant. I added some zip ties to hold the pipes in place during transfer. The holes were just a little bit too large for the pipes to fit snugly. Adding the zip ties did exactly what I intended it to do. Now, with everything put together, it was time to grab the kayak and get this thing put into the middle of the pond. Alright, so I managed to get this thing up here. Now I gotta make sure I just don't flip myself into the water. It is near impossible to balance this thing on my kayak right now. But you know what? see how it goes. Nothing bad could happen, right? Oh, almost lost it. Quickly turning into how to escape cold water. There it goes. Well, that thing sunk a lot faster than I thought it was. But as you can see, that thing is gone. So hopefully come back in the spring and we got lots of little fish eggs, but there's no way of knowing. So like, subscribe, and follow me. Phoenix to the Mountain. See you guys.